afternoon. Now this is the part 2 of the chapter number 13, active and the passive voice. In the previous chapter, the previous part, I discussed you what exactly the active and the passive voice is there. Now today I am going to discuss according to the different tenses, because when we are changing the sentence from active to passive, there are some certain rules that according to that we have to use the tenses. See. This is the table that I have made for your convenience. Is that in the tenses chapter we have discussed that these type of these different tenses are there: the simple present tense, simple past tense, and the simple future tense. In the present continuous tense, present perfect continuous, simple past, past continuous, past perfect continuous, and the simple future, future continuous, future perfect, and the future perfect continuous. So here, remember that whenever we are using, remember that there, according to that, there are how many? There are 12 tenses are there that we are going to use in our tenses. In the active and the passive voice, remember that the present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous, and the future continuous. These tenses cannot be changed. These tenses, the helping verb of these tenses never be changed. And I told you that always we are using the main verb third form we are using. Then whatever the helping verb of the present tense is, the s and the es can be changed into and does change into past tense, was, were. Sorry. Is, am, are. Is, am. Whatever the helping verb of the tenses is, am, are can be changed as the is, am, are, has, have. Right? Here the second form of the main verb we are using plus the verb did. That can be changed into a was and were. Here was and were, had. Here will be. ये change नहीं होगा, but future continuous will not change. So then the future perfect, अगर उसका कोई tense आता है तो वो हमारा change हो जाएगा. इसमें ये change नहीं होगा, लेकिन इसका जो होगा वो change होगा किसमें? ये तो change होंगे ना हमारे. Has, have can be changed into has, have, plus be, plus third form. Here we are using the third form. Remember that. Plus third form of main verb. Yeah? Here हम क्या use करेंगे? Had been, and there we are using the will have been, shall have been plus third form. There we are using the will have plus third form. Will have ये दिया रहेगा हमारा, ये किस में चेंज हो जाएगा हमारा? This will change into a will have been. Will have been. Remember that in the continuous tense, the ing form we are using, na? So that ing form can become the word being. And उसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे? मेन वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म लगा देंगे. Right? So this is the table. Let's do according to the exercise. See the sentence given in the simple past, present, and the future. The structure I am telling you. Simple, present, past and the future tense का structure मैं अभी आपको बता रही हूँ. Right? It will be the subject. ये अभी आपका है किसका? Active voice का है. Subject plus helping verb plus main verb plus object. Right? तो मेन वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म हम यूज करेंगे. इसमें तीनों में होता है, सिर्फ इसका सिंपल टेंस का सेकेंड फॉर्म आता है, बाकी सब में वही होता है. सो हियर इट विल बी द ऑब्जेक्ट. इन द पैसिव वॉइस The structure could be the object plus helping verb plus main verb. Third form we are using plus subject. Let's see with the help of the example given in your books. See, first see the simple present tense. The simple present tense is vocal and the cause and the do or the does. We can change into is MR plus third form. Let's see. Ridhima eats biscuit every evening. Biscuits are eaten by Ridhima every evening. Example given there. Second is the past tense. Is that the artist sketched the portrait. चलो अभी मैं आपको एक ही एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू सारे टेंसेस करके बताऊँ. See, the artist sketches. अभी हम sketches the portrait. Right? If it is in a present tense. Present tense में ये क्या होगा हमारा? Simple present tense में the portrait, sketches means simple present tense is going to be changed into portrait is sketched by the artist. Now in the simple past में क्या होगा? In the simple past the same word, the portrait was sketched by the artist. तब हमारे यहाँ पे सेंटेंस क्या हो जाता है? यहाँ पर आपका था ed आ जाता तो हमें पता चल जाता कि वो हमारा सिंपल पास्ट टेंस का है. तो ये क्या हो जाता आपका? The portrait was sketched. If it is a simple future tense, then the portrait will be sketched by the artist. यहाँ के सेंटेंस आपके चेंज हो जाते हैं. The artist sketched the portrait. यहाँ पर आपका सेंटेंस also the artist will sketch the, right? So this will be changed. Right? Now let's see the simple अब हम देखते हैं कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में. फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस तो चेंज होता नहीं है. हमारा चेंज कौन सा होता है? प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस. प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस क्या होते हैं हमारे? इज MR, इज MR प्लस मेन वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस ING. राइट? ये तो होता है हमारा एक्टिव वॉइस का. पैसिव वॉइस में क्या होता है? पैसिव वॉइस का स्ट्रक्चर क्या होगा हमारा? ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस इज MR की जगह पे हमारा क्या हो जाएगा? हैज, हैव प्लस IN प्लस बीइंग. सॉरी, इज MR का यही होगा हमारा. MR is R plus being plus main verb का third form plus subject. Let's see with the help of the example is that the same sentence actually using that the artist is sketching the portrait So it will be the portrait. Portrait is portrait. Then again is being sketched. Sketched by the portrait is being sketched by the artist, right? If the sentence is in a past continuous tense, in the past continuous tense the helping verbs are was, were. तो यहाँ पर भी क्या हो जाता, तो यहाँ पे भी हमारा हो जाता was, were. It will be was, and there also remember was. I hope it will be clear to you. Right? Now the future continuous will not change. Now the perfect tense. In the perfect tense, so already the helping verb is in a what? In the third form. So no problem will be there. So in the perfect tense, present perfect tense. The structure of the sentence in the active voice is the subject plus helping verb plus main verb first form, third form plus object. So present perfect tense, what is the helping verb are there is the has and have. So it will be the object plus has or have plus been plus main verb third form plus subject. Let's see the example. The example is given in there is that same. If I'll take that, the artist has sketched the artist has sketched the portrait. So it will change into the portrait. The portrait has been sketched by the artist, right? And if it is the past tense, past perfect tense, then this is the word had is there, had plus had. So here again it will change and it became the had plus two. तो यहाँ पे भी हमारा had हो जाता, यहाँ पे भी had, right? Then if it is the future perfect tense, the helping verb is the, क्या होता है उसका helping verb? The helping verb is will have, ना? तो सेम वही हो जाएगा आपका, will have is there, तो यहाँ पे हमारा वही हो जाएगा will have और यहाँ पे भी वही हो जाएगा हमारा will have been, will have और यहाँ पे भी हो जाएगा हमारा will. This is the overall the tenses, how it will change and from after to passive. I hope it will be clear up to you. Do the exercise, then all your doubts will be clear up to you. Thank you. Rest of the chapter I'll explain you in the next video. Thank you.